My name is Anthony Shuhayda. I've owned Anthony's Custom Flooring and Contracting since 1990. So when we started, and I got incorporated in 1995, and we've been working ever since. Well, before 1990, I installed a lot of hardwood flooring, ceramic tiles, and so forth, and did a lot of custom work with hardwood floors. But then over the time, hardwood people were shying away from hardwood. They were going more towards carpet and laminate. So I needed to find myself more work, so I started remodeling, siding jobs, roofing jobs. Then in 1990, I built my second, actually a home on my own, where I was hired to do the job, and it just took off. We're very particular in the way I do things, because if it don't look good to you, it don't look good to me. I'm an old school builder. I like very personal contact. I like talking to people, so I know what they expect, what they want, and I try to provide that. So I've always done that. Try to make people happy. I sit down with customers, go over what all they want. I give them a price from start to finish. That includes excavation, foundations, building the house, helping them design the way they want their interiors, getting their electric hooked up, gas hooked up, water hooked up. Whether they need a septic system, we do that too, or we can also provide well drillers for them if they need to drill wells.
Hi, my name's Ken Scott. I am the sales division for Shuhayda Homes and Contracting. I work with the customers, helping the customers through the process, especially in the initial process of working out the floor plan, going to their lot, figuring out what utilities are available, figuring out how we can build the home that they have picked out, the desirable floor plan, and then from there, working with Tony, the owner, and pricing those floor plans for the customer to give them a one-stop solution for their new dream house.
We have all our own equipment. I excavate, I oversee everything from start to finish. We build differently than most builders. We put a lot more in.
Our customers have the flexibility of choosing different finishes. They can choose different floorings. They get allowances for kitchen, cabinets, walls, lighting fixtures, plumbing fixtures. We make the building process very easy, very simple.
And I don't just use just anybody just because of a cheap price. I use the same people I've been working with now for the last 25 years. My brother John is usually on the job every day, and he oversees every minute of the day. I use the same electrical guy, same plumbing, heating guy, the same concrete finishers, the same insulating company, the same sheetrock company, and we all work pretty good over the years, and they all know what I expect. They've grown to know what I expect. I use a local mill for all the trusses, Berlin Lumber Company of Berlin, Pennsylvania. I buy all my lumber from there because it's a higher quality standard of lumber.
One of the new things that working with Shuhayda Homes and Contracting that our customers get as far as the value proposition is they get the best of both worlds. They've got a builder who knows nothing but building, literally since he's been 5 years old. Myself, I've been around building and construction also since 5 years old, not to the extent nearly as Tony, but from the sales and development and floor plan and real estate, I have the ability and vision to work with the customers both electronically, communicate their needs, work with Tony on any changes and pricing, and together Tony and I can collaborate and make sure that the customer's vision and idea is delivered on the home that they choose.
I feel as though with all houses I build, they're like a monument that will be here a long time after I'm gone. And my grandkids and my great-grandkids and great-grandkids, and how far ever on you go, it will still be here. And I take pride in that.